Hey everybody, it's Paul from Travel Buggy. I'm excited to be here today to introduce you to our latest power chair, City 2.0. We've taken your feedback over the last 5 years to redevelop our best-selling chair to make it easier to load, more comfortable, and safer for you to use. The biggest change to our new City model are two quick-release rear wheels which instantly reduce the chair weight by 25 pounds. Now you can easily load our most robust power chair into the back of your vehicle in just 3 simple pieces. New features for added comfort in our City 2.0 model includes a multiple position reclining backrest to reduce tension on your lower back, a contoured seat cushion, much thicker than our previous version, an extendable footrest for taller users, an extendable controller for taller users, a completely redesigned backrest frame to better support your neck and shoulders, and wider armrests and expandable seating width for a more spacious ride. Additional user features include 2 quick-release batteries located in the sides of the chair, which are easily removed for off-board charging or airline travel, simple to raise armrests with complete clearance for barrier-free side entry, a redesigned one-hand release lock to begin the folding process, 6 unique seat colors to personalize your ride, a cup holder that comes standard, anti-tip wheels at the rear of the chair for additional peace of mind while driving up inclines. Our City model folds easily like a lawn chair in one simple step, an intuitive 360-degree joystick controller with a reduced turning radius that can navigate even the tightest spaces. Need to push the chair? No problem. Switch quickly between power and manual push mode with the flick of a switch. Our footrest flips up and completely out of the way for a safe front entry. Plus, all the accessories you've come to know and love on our City model still fit our newest design. Our City model still remains the most powerful chair in our lineup, capable of holding up to 395 pounds, capable of going 15 miles on a single charge, can go up hills, and can tackle most outdoor terrain including grass and loose gravel. If you have any questions about our new City 2.0 or any questions in general, please call, email, or visit us at our website, and we hope you choose Travel Buggy for your next adventure.